In the heart of Vieques, Puerto Rico, exists an ethereal marvel known as Mosquito Bay, renowned as the world's brightest bioluminescent bay. When night falls, the bay transforms as millions of dinoflagellates illuminate the waters, creating a dazzling blue glow with each paddle stroke. Local fishermen, like Ricardo, recall nights when the phosphorescent brilliance made the sea look like a starry sky. This natural spectacle is not just a visual delight, but a crucial ecosystem, supporting marine life and attracting global visitors. The bay's captivating glow evokes awe and humility, reminding us of nature's delicate balance and the unseen wonders that sustain life.